Hi everyone, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today I would like to demonstrate how I created these Christmas tree meringues. So I've got the meringue recipe that I can list in the description box and in the card icon for you guys if you'd like a visual demonstration on how to go about that. This is the 32 piping tip. I've created a nice long cylinder, large at the base but skinny at the top, and then using that as a base to pop these tiny little meringue kisses onto these sides. Still using the 32 piping tip, we're just creating rings starting and ending at the same side, and that way just creates a neat front area. These meringues do need a decent amount of time to dry out in the oven. I have my oven set to 50 degrees Celsius. That is going to be drying out for a good 6 hours. Might seem like a long time, but these do need time to dry out because they are so thick and there's so much to the center of them. This is the same technique but using a number 10 piping tip, just like a different way to go about it. I think it's a lot cuter in the sense that it kind of looks like a pineapple, whereas the other one's got a bit more texture because of the teeth from the stars. Enter the 104 piping tip, probably one of my favorite piping tips of all time. There's a few different designs you can create with this one. We're kind of working off the rings again, starting and ending in the same place, but this time we're just giving a little up and down motion to create these little zigzags, and then ending with 3 little petals. For the next one, we're creating a vertical ruffle, starting wide and then ending really skinny at the top of the meringue. I was going to say cake, but this is a meringue. And then for this one, we are creating rings around, but we are not stopping in terms of applying pressure to the bag. You're kind of just creating one solid strip of meringue all around. I give it a little bit of a pat because it was kind of lopsided, so just trying to correct the shape. These are petals starting at the base, overlapping as we travel up, and then right at the top ending with 3 little petals again. I coloured my meringue with gel food colour, I believe it was forest green, but you could also use powdered colour as well. I don't recommend using liquid food colour, that will water out your meringue, make it way too thin to be able to pipe with and kind of deflate the whole thing. Add some edible pearls, dry them off, and your meringues are done.